Hello FBM family. Today I'm showing you how to clean the microwave using Florida Best Maid multi-purpose cleaner. Now this is how it looks before I give it a touch-up clean. And I will begin with spraying the entire inside down, the microwave turntable itself, and also the outside of the microwave. Make sure you stick around to see the end results. Welcome back FBM family. In today's video I'm using Florida Best Maid multi-purpose cleaner lavender scent. You can place an order below. Just click on the link in the description. If you're new here to our channel, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell and hit all so you receive all our latest videos. And if you enjoy watching this one, put up the like. Would you like to know what makes our product different from the rest? Well, it's eco-friendly, it's family and pet safe. It can be used inside the microwave, as you see here, the oven and the stove, inside the refrigerator, cabinet, bathtub, shower, toilet, sink, vanity, the floors, walls, baseboards, toys, chairs, electronics, and much more. Did I mention there's no toxins, no phthalates, no parabens, no glycosaminins, no artificial colors or harsh chemicals? This is the final result. So nice and clean, fresh, ready for use. To place an order, don't forget to click on the link in the description below. In today's video, I was using the lavender scent. It also comes in lemon scent. If you're new here to our channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Click all so you receive all our latest videos and put up the lights. Thank you.